Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video, we will see the concept of disjoint sets. So let's get started. What is disjoint sets? If no element is matching from one set to another set, and if there is no common elements in two sets, and if difference of two sets is an empty set, then the two sets are called disjoint sets. Here, for example, X is a set of elements containing 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Q is a set of elements containing 100 and 20. Now print Q dot is disjoint of X. We need to check. Here Q containing 100 and 200. That elements are not present in X. So it is a disjoint of X. Q is disjoint of X. Here, his disjoint will check whether the elements are not present in X or not. If the elements are not present in X, then it will print true. If the elements in Q are present in X, then it will print false. That is called disjoint set. Here, no element of Q is matching any element of X. Then X is disjoint. Then we will get output as true. Now we will see this practically. Copy this and open another notepad and paste. Now open command prompt and type file name .py, enter. See, we got true. Copy the output and paste the output. See, here X containing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? And Q containing 100 and 200. Here Q is disjoint of X. Yeah, it is true. So we got output as true. That is the concept of disjoint set. Now we will see this example. Here X containing set of elements like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and Q containing 100 and 200 and 50. Now print Q dot disjoint of X. We got output as false because here Q containing 100, 200 and 50, right? Here 50 is present in X. So it is not a disjoint of X because every element present in Q should not be present in X. Then only it is disjoint. If one element also present in both the sets common, then it is not disjoint. Now we will see this practically. So copy this and paste here and save the file. Now open command prompt and type file name.py, enter. See, we got false. Here Q is disjoint of X means false because Q containing a common element which is present in X. So that is 50. 50 element is also present in X. So it is not disjoint of X. Now we will see this concept empty set, a set with no values, how to create empty set. Here if we give A equal to A is a variable equal to empty set, this is curly braces, print type of A, it will give a dictionary type. Now how we need to create empty set we will see. Now A equal to set of parenthesis, in that we have to give curly braces. Then print type of A. We will see this practically. Copy this and paste here and save. Now go to command prompt and type file name .py, enter. See, we got set. So to create empty set, we need to indicate set parenthesis, in that we have to give curly braces. Then it is an empty set. To create empty set, we need to use this. Now we will see this, how to create dictionary. Dictionary is next type. We will see in further videos dictionary type. So go to command prompt and type file name .py, enter. See, we got dictionary. It means dictionary. It is dictionary also one of data type. In this way we need to create dictionary, and in this way we need to create set. In this video what we have seen is disjoint set concept, and we have seen how to create empty set and how to create empty dictionary. I hope everyone clear with these two concepts. If you have any questions or doubts, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. We will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.